So this is before I install. So we're two fingers. And I have upgraded it. It's actually a lot more beefier than the stock ones. I was going to do the upper arms. I'm just trying to find the ones that actually match to these lower ones. I didn't realize that it was only the front and backs. It didn't have the uppers. But it doesn't rub, so I can run it at that point. But I can get some more. I can get some more clearance room. I think if I install them. But it's pretty close to tires, you see that? Like, it's way better than it was before. It was like sitting down here.